Yo guys, you can probably see what is in the background. It's the meme, and it's Art Future. This is the official Art Future. You can see,
Uden sukker og kalorier.
except for that is just
Dog
the
hver
ad.
sin smag.
But
Tag de
I
gode
just,
beats med på
like,
farten med
10
Premium.
seconds
Download musik
was
og tag den
all-
med dig overalt, så du kan danse løs
I
til numre i
straight away
høj
just
kvalitet uden
made a
reklame.
video on this because
Giv dine playlister et
Art
frisk pus med
Future's,
anbefalede sange fra
page
Smart
is
Shuffle.
hacked.
Og få fuld
like-
kontrol over musikken med ubegrænset
You see-
sangskift og afspilning af
see-
dine favoritter igen og igen.
Like,
Oplev musik uden
I'm
grænser.
for real.
Tryk på banneret for at læse mere.
You see this? This is the official Art Future. Like, you can see here. Like, let's see here. See, that is Art Future. Like, and also, you can see here. It is Art Future. Like, what? Like, I don't understand this. Like, can anyone, like Spotify, if you are seeing this, please just get this guy out because there's someone who's hacking Art Future Wolf Games page or picture. But yeah, that's all I want to say. Yeah, what?